If you can hang a picture, you can hang your own curtains. All you need is a measuring tape, a pen, and a piece of paper. Follow these simple steps to measure your curtains accurately. First, measure the width of the window. If the window has a frame, measure from the outer edges of the frame on both sides and add 4 to 8 inches on each side. This ensures that when the curtains are open, more light can enter, and when closed, they effectively block out light without gaps on the sides. Note down the total width. Next, measure the curtain height. First, determine the mounting height of the curtain rod. It is recommended to install it at least 4 inches and up to 12 inches above the top of the window. Pleats and metal grommet parts are included in the curtain length. If you are using eyelet or back tab curtains, do you know how to measure them? When measuring, start from the top of the curtain rod down to where you want the curtain to hang. For windowsill length curtains, measure from the curtain rod to the top of the windowsill. If you prefer the curtain to hang slightly below the windowsill, add 1 to 2 inches. For floor-length curtains, they should typically hang about half an inch above the floor. If you are using pleated curtains, such as double pinch or pencil pleat, do you know how to measure them? If your curtains are installed using a curtain rod with rings, measure from the bottom of the rings, not the top of the curtain rod. The measurement end point typically 0.5 inches above the floor to prevent dragging. For a more elegant flowing look, consider adding 4 inches to the length. If your curtains are installed using a standard track system, measure from the top of the track to the desired curtain hem position. If the track is mounted on the ceiling, measure from the ceiling to the floor, then subtract any clearance you wish to leave. For curtains ending at the windowsill, they should be 1 to 2 inches shorter than the sill to ensure a neat look. If you have curved track curtains, divide the curved track into sections A, B, and C. Measure each segment individually and add them together to calculate the total track length. If you have a radiator below your window, do you know what to consider? Special note: if there is a radiator below the window, measure the curtain drop length from the windowsill to avoid covering the radiator. Typically, the curtain hem should stop 15 to 20 centimeters, 6 to 8 inches, above the radiator to ensure proper heat circulation and prevent the curtain from blocking the warmth. Note down the total height you need, enter the width and the height in the boxes, and now you're ready to place your order. When your curtains arrive, the factory will automatically adjust them based on the measurements you provided, ensuring 2 times fullness for a perfect look. Once everything is ready, all you need is a decorative curtain rod. Pleated curtains can be installed using a curtain rod with rings or a curtain track. That's it. Now, sit back and enjoy your beautiful new Homevery curtains.